Hey, how's it going? In this video, I'm doing an unboxing of the new OnePlus 6, a fantastic flagship device from OnePlus. On the left, we have OnePlus 6, bottom, nothing. The right side, the speed you need. That was all about this phone, which I think is curious because, to me, smartphone speed has really kind of plateaued recently. You can only open your email app or send a message so fast. So I think it's interesting they chose to focus on speed, but that said, they did pack this phone with some really incredible specifications, especially at its price point. So opening up, we are greeted with the OnePlus 6 itself. We'll pull this out. Oh, looks like it kind of stuck in there. Let me just try and maybe pop this out. There we go. All right, so we have the phone itself. Let me remove the plastic from the bottom. We'll just pop that off to the side for now. And inside the box, you do get a dash charge power brick. So this is crucial for bringing that incredible charge performance to OnePlus 6. They say like a day's charge in half an hour, or a day's power in half an hour with dash charge. So this is really cool. This is the power brick you need. You can see it says OnePlus on the bottom. That's great to see. And of course, you do have a USB to USB-C cable for charging the device. I love the color coordination OnePlus has going on here. The red, the white packaging, the red, the white cable, really pretty to see. And it looks like this is where you're gonna get your instructions. Looks like it just opens on the bottom. Whoa, hey, check this out. All right, this is really cool. It looks like OnePlus actually includes a case with the phone. That was in this package. We'll set that off to the side. And you get your instructions as well. So I guess within the case, you get this feels like a silicon material. So maybe a silicon case or potentially a TPU case. I'm not, it's a nice little flimsy but functional case, I'm sure. You get your instruction booklet. So this is quickly what you need to know about OnePlus 6. You can see this is a dual SIM device. This is fantastic for people looking to go off contract. Officially, it supports the AT&T, T-Mobile, and US cellular networks here in the United States. I will definitely be sure to test out whether or not it works on Verizon. I believe it may have some bands in there, so there should be some compatibility, but I'll put that to the test. You also get some safety information. That's great to see. And you have your OnePlus shot on OnePlus, never settle. So if you use the dual cameras on the back to take pictures and you share that on social media, you can tag it with shot on OnePlus and potentially get reposted or win some gear. And you have the SIM eject tool on the bottom here. It kind of looks like a fun little smiley face, if you ask me. So that is everything in the box. Really, really cool that OnePlus includes the Silicone Case. I think that is awesome to see. It's unfortunate you do not get any headphones in this box, but I guess the case is something. And yeah, so that's everything included. The OnePlus 6, the dash charge power brick, the USB to USB-C cable, and the Silicone Case. Again, no headphones, but they are now selling the Bullets wireless headphones at a very competitive price point. I'll leave those linked below if you want to check them out. There you go. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing for more videos like this one. I'm Stetson, and I'll see you next time.